maybe it's cold outside and we have the perfect project for you. This basic colorwork hat using this super bulky and soft Malabrigo Rasta yarn meets all the requirements for a warm, easy, and quick weekend knit. Join me, Jenny Fish, as we knit this fun and fast, bulky hat in just 2 episodes. I'll show you how to wind yarn at home without a Swift or ball winder, casting on, knitting the ribbing, work 2-color color work, then we'll decrease using double-pointed needles for the crown. After all that, we'll top this chunky hat off with a fluffy fur pom-pom. Visit onebighappy.com to pick up a kit with the printed pattern, yarn, and matching fun fur pom-pom. Be sure to like and leave a comment below letting me know how excited you are to make this fun hat.